Hello everyone, welcome to Talk a Topic. I am Hariyar. Here we are going to discuss about why Taiwan excluded from WHO. Before going to the topic, we should know about Taiwan and WHO. Taiwan officially the Republic of China. This is a state in East Asia. Neighboring states including the People's Republic of China to the northwest, Japan to the northeast, and Philippines to the south. WHO, it is World Health Organization, is a specialized agency of the United Nations. It is responsible for international public health. You know, Taiwan, which is part of China before, but now it's separated and the relations becoming ocean. If any situation occurs, that is very difficult to control. Simply you can say Taiwan-China relationship is like India-Pakistan. Current spreading virus excluded Taiwan from the WHO member. You know, China and Taiwan relations was not good, which directly suffered Taiwan, because we might know China and the WHO chief Tedros Adhanom, who is favored to China. Although here USA made a support to Taiwan and it owes to WHO for making Taiwan as observer member status, whether it may not be full-time member. This discriminates born from the coronavirus outbreaks in Taiwan and China. You know, Taiwan officially the Republic of China. It was founding member of WHO. The global health body was created in 1948. But after time passes, it was expelled in 1972, a year after losing the China seat at the United Nations to the Republic of China. WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom said Taiwan participation can only be decided by member states with the consent of the relevant government. You know, it is highly unlike to Taiwan. Only its nations still recognize Taiwan over China. Most of them economic minnows in Latin America and the Pacific. 194 countries, Taiwan WHO will want to stoke Beijing's anger. Also a 2007 bid by Taiwan to seek from membership was comprehensively defeated. In the last few weeks, Australia, Canada, Japan and New Zealand have joined the US in publicly calling for Taiwan to be given observer status at WHO. That meeting shocked to the Beijing. It accused all Western governments and supporting Taiwan in front of the WHO. But now the situation, we can say the WHO, which excluded Taiwan from its member list.